Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you the easy and secure way to log into your Google Workspace. Admin account. Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you the easy and secure way to log into your Google Workspace. Admin account. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Google Admin Console URL at admin.google.com. Next, you will see the login page where you need to enter your administrator email address. This is typically the email that was set up when your Google Workspace account was created after entering your admin email. Click. Next, you'll then be prompted to enter your password. Make sure you input the correct password associated with your admin account. If you have forgotten your password, you can use the Forgot Password option to reset it securely. Once successfully logged in, you will arrive at the Google Admin dashboard. Here you can manage all user accounts, groups, security settings, and other administrative features if your organization has enabled two-factor authentication. You may be asked to verify your identity through a code sent to your phone or authenticator app. Just follow the prompts to complete the verification to maintain security. It's important to always log out from the admin console when your session is done, especially if you are using a public or shared computer. If you encounter any issues logging in, double-check your credentials and ensure your internet connection is stable. Also, verifying your account permissions with your organization's IT support can help resolve access problems that might occur. Remember, this method keeps your data safe and your admin activities efficient and hassle-free. With these simple steps, you can confidently manage your Google Workspace admin account without any trouble.